Good morning, dear students. Today we are going to start our first geography lesson. Its name is India, Size and Location. Its name is what? India, Size and Location. That we will start today. So first paragraph, when you are reading in your book, you are getting that what they are writing, that India is a very ancient civilization. Last 50 years India has done the very good progress in all fields, remarkable progress in all fields, whether it is agriculture or industry or technology, economic development. In all round development happened for India. India has also contributed in making the world history, means several historical works India have done. So now we have to know our country. It is a very great opportunity to understand basic things about our country. Before we come on this topic, few things that already you have read in your last classes 6th, 7th and 8th. Some basic things just I will revise. Whenever you are seeing the globe, some this type lines are there, means which is coming from north to and south. They are known as what? Longitude. They are known as longitudes. Then few lines you will see on the globe, that is in this way. These are the what? Latitudes. These are the latitudes. This is the basic thing that already you have read in your 6th, 7th classes. Now one more thing we have to know. Few longitudes and latitudes are very important. As like here also a globe is given there. If you are seeing this one, main part, this is the 0 degree longitude. This is the 0 degree longitude. It is passing through Greenwich, that is in London. Then here it is the 0 degree latitude. What? 0 degree latitude is that one. This is also called equator. This is also called what? Equator. So 0 degree longitude, 0 degree latitude, both are clear. Now 23.5 degree north. 23.5 degree north, almost this line. This is known as Tropic of Cancer. Then same way 23.5 degree south. 23.5 degree south line, that is known as Tropic of Capricorn. Tropic of Capricorn. This much you are knowing. Clear? This is the old classes revision only. Nothing new we are going to do. Now one more thing. This 0 degree latitude, it is dividing whole earth into two spheres. Northern part is known as northern hemisphere. Southern part is known as southern hemisphere. Southern part is known as southern hemisphere. Same way 0 degree longitude. 0 degree longitude means this line. This is also dividing earth into hemispheres. Eastern hemisphere. This is western hemisphere. This basic concept is clear. Once again I will revise all these things. Whole world, some horizontal lines are there, they are known as latitudes. Some vertical lines are there, they are known as longitudes. 0 degree latitude, that is also known as equator. It is dividing whole earth into two hemisphere. One is northern hemisphere, second one is southern hemisphere. And 0 degree longitude, that is dividing whole earth into two parts. One is eastern hemisphere, second one is western hemisphere. Clear? So now at least one thing is clear. What? India is where? Whether it is northern hemisphere or southern hemisphere. Just see. 0 degree latitude, northern hemisphere. India is in northern hemisphere. Then 0 degree longitude, India is where? Eastern hemisphere or western hemisphere? So it is in eastern hemisphere. So this is clear that India is northern eastern hemisphere. Northern hemisphere and eastern hemisphere. Clear? I hope it is clear. Now coming to the next thing. India's location. India is a very vast country, means very big country. It is entirely in northern hemisphere. The main land is its latitudinal extension. That is very very important. You need to memorize this one. This line you need to memorize. Its mainland extends between 8 degree 4 minute north and 37 degree 6 minute north latitude. Just I will show you. India, this is India. Latitudinal expansion 8 degree 4 minute north latitude to 37 degree 6 minute north latitude to 37 degree 6 minute north latitude. Clear? Now longitudinal value. What is the longitudinal expansion of India? That also 68 degree 7 minute east. 68 degree 7 minute east longitude, eastern longitude, to 97 degree 25 minute eastern longitude. Clear? So these two 1 mark questions are ready. What is the longitudinal expansion of India? So longitudinal, that is the 68 degree 7 minute east to 97 degree 25 minute east. What is the latitudinal expansion of India? 8 degree 4 minute north to 37 degree 6 minute north latitude. Clear? This is both are north because it is northern hemisphere. Here eastern, why? Because it is in eastern hemisphere. So it is clear. Now coming to the next point, we are seeing about the location. So this point is very very important. You need to memorize that one. And one more thing, what is highlighted here, you need to also highlight in your book because it is important one. Coming to the main one mark question, Tropic of Cancer. Tropic of Cancer means 23.5 degree north latitude. This one is the line, 23.5 degree north. This is the Tropic of Cancer. If you are seeing Tropic of Cancer 23.5 degree north latitude, it is dividing India into almost two equal parts. Yes? Now one more thing you need to see. Whenever you are, just focus on this image. When you are seeing India, it is Indian Ocean. In Indian Ocean also, here it is Arabian Sea, here Bay of Bengal. Arabian Sea and Bay of Bengal. How you will memorize that one? When you are writing alphabet A, B, C, D, like that one. So A means Arabian Sea, first left side Arabian Sea, then right side Bay of Bengal. Now one more thing. When you are seeing here in Bay of Bengal, one island is there. That's name is Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Here it is Andaman and Nicobar Islands, and here Maldives. Here Maldives is there. Clear? It means Maldives is in Arabian Sea, but Andaman and Nicobar Island, that is in Bay of Bengal. So that is the point they have given here. See, two things are there. Here Maldives is little bit downside. Upside it is Lakshadweep. Upside it is the Lakshadweep. Lakshadweep is the part of India, but Maldives is a separate country, that is downside. Clear? Don't confuse about the Lakshadweep and Maldives. Maldives is not the part of India, but Lakshadweep is the part of India. It is a union territory. Andaman and Nicobar is also a union territory, UT, and here it is also Lakshadweep is also a UT, union territory. Clear? So I hope till here the concept is clear. Now coming to the next thing, what we are seeing,